Time to make Southwest rice bowls. So the first thing we're going to do is add some butter to a pan for our sweet corn. We're going to add the sweet corn into the pot with the butter, and we're going to stir that around just to add some nice flavor to the corn. Next, we're going to add a cup of water to our corn and stir it around. After that, we're going to add some sea salt, and we are also going to add some black pepper because I love black pepper. I put it on everything. That just adds a little more flavor and a kick to our veggies. In another pot, we are going to put some seasoning, some taco seasoning for our spinach. We're going to put our frozen spinach into that pot, stir it around. You can add your own seasonings if you want to, but I'm doing taco seasoning just for this meal and the type of meal that it is. So you can stir that around a bit until the spinach is unfrozen. Put a lid on it, forget about it. Now we are opening all of our cans. We have charro beans and black beans. We're going to get another pot, put the black beans in there. I drained the juice in one of the cans and I left the juice in the other can. Add both cans to the pot, add it in there. You can add seasoning if you want to. Another pot with the charro beans, and that can just sit until you're ready to prepare the meal. Now we're going to make some rice. It's easy to make rice. All you need is a bag of white rice, any kind of rice you use. We're going to rinse our rice. It is very serious. You got to, because rice is dirty. So we're going to wash our rice with just water, add it to our rice pot, put some water, olive oil, and we're going to add some salt to that as well for some flavor. And you can add other seasonings as well if rice is your base, your main base for the meal. I am going to add some garlic powder as well to the rice for flavor, and we're also going to add parsley flakes just for the visual. Now we're going to cut up some lime and some jalapenos for the garnish for our bowl, and this is just to add some flavor, some spice, and some color to it. You can do this if you want. You don't have to. It's just my personal add-on. Next, we're going to cut up some onion for our sauce that we're going to make. We're going to make a sauce for it, and you can cut your onion. I used 1/4 of an onion, cut it and dice it to add to our sauce. And for this sauce, you're going to need sour cream, Hill Valley Ranch, and you're going to need Texas Cajun spice seasoning. Now you are going to add some lime just for a kick of that, tartness to the sauce. And you can give that a stir, and you could taste it to see if that's what you want on top of your bowl. So here's another sauce that I make. It's the same thing, but instead of onion, we're going to use Pico de gallo, and instead of the Texas Cajun spice seasoning, we are going to use garlic powder as well for this sauce. And this is the sauce that I use when I make my Southwest egg rolls, which if I make that again, I'll make a video and show you how I make those. So I made white rice, but you can use Spanish rice as well. Here's a bag I got at H-E-B. The directions say you can do it in the oven or the microwave. We're going to go the easy way and do the microwave. So the rice has turned out well. The microwave white rice only took 12 minutes in the microwave. It came out perfect, and now I'm making my bowl. I used white rice for mine. I didn't want to use Spanish rice, and I put everything on top. Me and my family are doing the Daniel fast where we cannot have meat or bread, which is why I'm only using beans for this. I usually use chicken as well, but you can do it however you want to. This is the finishing touch, and now it's time for a taste test. Of course, it tastes amazing. Let me know if you made this. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like.